Okay, it's about 8:30. I'm gonna try and get a little bit done. Right now, I'm doing some modifications to the player GUI here. This I think we call it player GUI. Yeah, it's just player GUI. I want to be able to pass in the player without having to call this separately. Character index. I don't know if we want to call that at the same time. I guess we do to update the texture more quickly. So we can leave that in there. It's not the most efficient, but I don't really care. But when we do set player, what I want to happen is we look up where we're calling this. Like this stuff, we're gonna change this. And now it'll be set player. We just send player through. And it's gonna be set character index. This, that. So we can go back in there and then put this here. I think that works. And really, since we call that we could do, just do that. And anywhere else we can do the same thing. So it's going to be set player. See, like there are a lot of things that, oh, it's a dictionary though. All right, so that one I do have to do separately. So that one can stay. This one, do we have a player? No, we're not using player. So that's all. It's just a minor legibility fix. We do need to set these. And I'm looking at the shop GUI. I don't see why these can't do, like, instead of that, it's the player GUI. Now, I don't think this needs to be an export. So I'm going to get rid of that. We're going to sprite. I might even call it just texture. Equals null. And here we're going to call set player. It's going to be data.party get index. That doesn't work, actually. I take that back. We have to do that outside of it. So I think we can do, might as well do it in there. What is hide custom? Oh, if I is greater than party size, how else we do that? Let's see if our shop works. I do have to update these. So anywhere we see texture in there, and then this is going to be texture. Sprite Atlas. Place that. So I fixed that, and we have to fix it here. Alright, so it's working in here. I'm all the way in Bumble F. Alright, so now we are getting our characters. That's really good. I need to update how we draw that for the tomes. That's really loud. Let me get the Town Zero turned down. It's probably reverberating into the microphone. I'm gonna do like -8. Let's check this one. So we're not actually doing equipment types yet, like the checking of that, but I can implement that. I think we'll make like a cloth armor type, and we'll give all of them that. And then we'll think about default weapons. So we've got to go to data. We're going to make some new items. So we have armor. And I'll probably, instead of alphabetically, I think I'm going to do this. Cat, get off of me. What are you doing? Tickling my foot, cat. Jeez. We're going to do cloth. Actually, no, I don't even think we're going to do that. We're going to, so the top will be like, cloth shirt. Bandana. Cloth pants, cloth shoes. 2, 3, 4, not shopes. Cap, vest, pants, boots. We need shields. Is that shield? And so now we made these items, we can supply them. First, let's decrease their values too. So I think all of these will just be 1 for the like really low level stuff, and it'll have super low sell price because it's really just the default clothing. And So I think when we init the player, we're going to give it those items from data. From data.items. So let's go up there, init player. So after we fill equipment and magic, we're going to do equip. So we data.item items. Do I have to supply the slot? I feel like we can get that. Why am I sending that through? So slot equals -1, and we need to do that subtype. And yeah, slot should be based on the type. I don't really like that we're sending slot through like that. So I'm actually going to do that, and we're just going to do this. So first we do if not item, we return. So if it's an invalid item. So that should work for that. We also need to get the, for item, we're going to have to add a, what do we call it? The, let me look it up. Let's look at item. I have to open it. Look in here, because we have heavy, medium, and light. And I think what we'll do is armor weight. Maybe just weight. And weight can go type, subtype. I think weight needs to go after subtype. Maybe we do it at the end. That way I don't have to bother setting it. In data, because it'll just be -1 for most items. But then if we have armor, that's when we want to use it. And so we'll put it at the end here. So we'll have like what item dot light. We need to make this a battle actor. Cut that out. We're going to get a reference. So we'll put this in item now. It's going to be weights. Go to battle actor, and then we're going to do const weights dictionary equals item dot weights. Hopefully that doesn't give us a cyclical error. We do have to update all of these now. So it's going to be weights.heavy. All right, nice. Then equip, we want to get the weight. What do I call it in here? I think armor type. Yeah. Slot weight So let's think about weights here. So heavy can equip anything. I kind of feel like we should start with light though. Right, because you're increasing the weight. That makes sense. And so when we equip, we check the weight. I think we can actually check weight before slot because we'll do a weight check. And we do if armor type is greater than or equal to weight. We'll just do item.weight. It's less than item.weight. Churn. Put that up here. Or those are our two conditions that we would return and not do the equip, right? If the item's invalid or we cannot equip that heavy of an item. Now I'm going to look for all calls of equip. Interesting. See, that doesn't have that argument for slot. Maybe it was, I don't really know, to be honest. Oh, I was in the process of making it. That's why. That's fine. I think I need to do whole words match case. Oh, we do need to send it to unequip. That's when we need it. All right. So we'll just modify. Do we do an item check down here? Yeah. Yep. I think we do if item. No, we set it there. If it's null, that's fine. Because we're clearing it. So I don't need that. This we also only care about if we're trying to equip the item. They do if item. I'll do this. We'll equip it, and then we do the weight check here. And then if item and that, then equipment slot equals null. I think we want to send that back to the inventory. And then return. Let's do this. If it's armor, we do that. Else, it's a weapon, so we're increasing strength. I think this makes sense now, and now I can go to equip all words here. So we're going to get, I forgot I can do this. cloth. Let's look at data real quick. We have cloth shirt, cloth pants, cloth shoes. So let's do 4 starting equipment in item in. So we have they have spaces, so we do have to do this. Cloth vest, cloth shirt, cloth pants. Items, cloth pants. Items, cloth shoes. Fix that. We're going to equip item. And then we do if job equals jobs dot thief. We're going to give them a cloth bandana. Or it's just bandana. And then the slot. Subtype. The dot light. Where's that? Add a knit. Item dot weight. There we go. So you have to add these to all the equipment. Tell you what. Let's get smart about it here. Weight will be weights that light by default. So we only have to set it for anything that's medium or heavy. Let's make a new one. Load that. Okay, I'm not seeing equipment. It's possible I broke equipment. Yeah, because we're sending that through. Slot doesn't need a default. This will be that. We get rid of that. Let's try it again. Interesting. So it's going into the equipment. Why is it 4 bandanas? What? So if armor type, we are setting that, right? um. What? So we can see all of these items have an item weight of 0. What? Get rid of that. Let's do print equipment. Let's see if we're getting this at all. No. Okay. Print item.name. Let's see if we're doing that. We can see these items are working, right? They're going through, we're getting the reference, but equip is failing us. Oh, because I returned. And then we're not emitting that, so it never changes, maybe? So I can't do that. How else we do that? Let's see if that goofy fix will do it. No. I don't know why it's going right to our inventory. Well, for one, they're not going to have the right equipment type. So let's clear all of these. Can I get rid of that thing? There we go. Okay. Looks like it's still not working. Maybe it's failing that armor check. Okay, so our armor type is not getting set. I think I know why, and I'm going to feel like a real ding-dong here in a second. It's because I'm doing this before I set armor type. What an asshole. So, oh my gosh, what a joke. Equip starting. Equipment. What a freaking joke. I mean, seriously. Amateur hour. So they're not going to be right. Let's make a new one. F. Non-object value to a very what? 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 Do we have to duplicate it? Need that. Dude. How do they mean non-object value? How's it not an object? Player.equipment. Is player not set? Stop printing out the clothes too. Alright. Sure. Later. Oh. Oh, interesting. Let's get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I added an extra, so we have freaking mosquito. I added gloves. One, two, three, four, five. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, head, torso. Slots that size. It should be right. What we can do is print equipment so we can see what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be right. Let's see where we're getting that error again. Equipment. Slot 3. Dude, what? Resource. So this is player 1. That's what we're on. It's erroring out when we actually have a resource there. Like so it's freaking out. But what's wrong with the item? This all looks fine. Maybe we don't need to duplicate it. But I think we still had the error regardless. Let's do print player.equipment. And let's get rid of, so we have less printing out. We can turn that off. Alright. So we see their equipment here. Alright. So we're getting through all the nulls, no problem. But when there's a resource, it freaks out. Why? Oh, ho, 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 shoot. I know why. We're not parsing that data properly. Here's what we'll do. Before we do that, for item in player data dot equipment. Sorry, in actually gonna have to do this before we parse it. We're going to do, I don't know, for I in range player dot equipment size. We're gonna do I equals player dot equipment I dot name. Can we do that? I is already declared. Let's use n. N for nice. Alright, so now we want to clear all of our data in the title screen. And we're going to save that now. Okay. Oh, whoops. Let's do this var item player. So do that. Else that. If item else that. Let me do this. Now, when we parse that, we have to go through for item and equipment. It's going to be, I keep doing that wrong. For do equipment I equals data dot items. Damn it, I have to. I gotta do item name. No, that's alright. We can do it this way. It's gonna be data items dot get equipment I. So parse equipment strings into items. Get off of there! What the? Are you serious? These cats, I am just. Oof. So we call equip on that. Or item equals this. You do if item, equip item, that's subtype. All right, I'm still clearing these, huh? Or did we just never get to save it? Yeah, it never saved. I feel good this time. I think this is gonna work. Oh my gosh. It's because I don't have, or I think the problem, let's see, let's look at parse data. We are initializing the player first, but I'm not getting, well, no, the armor type should be set. Our equipment, yeah, we call this, so the equipment should be empty because we call that here, right? It's going to be null. So what the hell's the problem? Let's put a breakpoint. So they're all null there. All right. But then for some reason, well, these are empty strings. We haven't set them yet, but why is that happening? Oh, shoot. Because we override it here. Let's do that. That's the easy fix right there. That should work. All right. Let's try making a new file. See if we can actually get the equipment to show up. All right, that's annoying. Let's print item. This is wrong. No. This is a quality video. I'm probably not going to freaking post this, man. Get rid of that sugar. And stop printing equipment. Where am I doing that? I'm just going to stop recording. This is kind of